Right, so the question is asking you to create your own two-way table. Now, this is the information that we need to put in the table. And the way that we create the table is the first step is we need to identify the variables. So what are our variables from this piece of information? What numbers actually change? Well, the number of males change, the numbers of females change, who walked, who went on the bus, and who cycled. So they're all the pieces of information that we need to put into our table. Okay, so if we have down the left-hand side here, so we have the males and we have the females. Okay, let's move that on a little bit. Okay, so we then want, so we've done those two. So then we want who walked, who went on the bus, and who cycled. Okay. So now we can put our information into the table. So how many males walked? Well, we know from the information in the table, 5 males walked. How many males took the bus? Well, we know again from the information that 12 males took the bus. How many females went and walked? From the information, 9 females walked. And again, from the information, how many females took the bus? Well, there was 7 females who took the bus. And for the cycling, 8 males cycled and 9 females cycled. So that is sort of our basic table, but we don't just leave it there. We need to put in the totals. Okay. And our totals are the columns added up and the rows added up. Okay, so all this added up comes to 25, and all these added up also comes to 25. For the columns, 5 and 9 equals 14, and 12 add 7 equals 19, and 8 add 9 equals 17. Now both of these will equal 50. So both the row total and the column total will add up to the number in the corner, which is 50. Okay, hopefully you were able to follow that.